Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is the fourth video on circle theorem proofs, and this video we're gonna prove that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. Let's get started. So firstly, we've got a circle with center O, and we've got radii. So we got four radii: AO, BO, CO, DO. And ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. A cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral whose four vertices are on the circumference of a circle. Okay, so if we were to look at this diagram carefully, what we notice is, since all the radii are equal, triangle AOB is an isosceles triangle, so is triangle BOC, so is triangle COD. And so is triangle AOD, since they have two pairs of equal sides. So we can start off by saying triangle AOB, triangle AOC, triangle COD, and triangle AOD are isosceles. As two of each of their sides are radii. Okay, so therefore we can, if I call this angle say M, this angle will also be M. If I call this angle N, this angle will also be N. And then if I was to call this say X, this angle would also be X. And if I was to call this angle Y, and this angle would also be Y. Alright. And the reason for that would be base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. So I've written that reason down here. Okay, so in triangle BOC, so we're looking at this triangle over here, BOC, angle BOC is equal to 180 degrees minus 2n. And the reason for this is angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, similarly, so this one here, this angle here, will be on 180 minus 2n. And similarly, we will have this angle over here, angle DOC as well, as 180 minus 2x. This angle over here, 180 minus 2y. Then this angle here will be 180 minus 2m. Okay, and all of them will have the same reason. Angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so I'm just going to make a note of that. So angle COD is equal to 180 minus 2x. Angle AOD is equal to 180 minus 2y. The last one is angle BOD is equal to 180 minus 2m. Okay, now if we look at these 1, 2, 3, 4 angles together, their angles around a point. We know that angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. So I can write down the following statement: angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 360 degrees. The reason for this is angles around the point add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so this will be 180 minus 2n plus 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y plus 180 minus 2m is equal to 360. Now since there are 4 180s over here, it would add up to 720, right? And I can factorize the rest as minus 2 times n plus x plus y plus m equals 360 degrees. I'm just gonna scroll down. I've got some space. Okay, so if I subtract both sides, let me try that again. I'm gonna subtract 720 both sides over here. Okay, so I'm gonna be this 2 times n plus x plus y plus m, which is equal to minus 360 degrees, because 360 minus 70 is minus 360, and I divide both sides by minus 2, which then gives me n plus x plus y plus m equals 180 degrees. Now if I look at the diagram, okay, the opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral over here, that's m plus y plus x plus n, that's equal to 180, and that's x plus m plus n, still equal to 180 degrees. So if you add those folds, you get 180 degrees. So that's why the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees, and that's the proof. Okay, so whenever you have a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles will always add up to 180 degrees. Thank you for watching.